Hey guys, and welcome to Subscriber Lunch Sunday. I'm Jennifer, and today I have a bunch of fun and easy lunch ideas to share with you. Now, I've received over 10,000 lunch requests so far, and it's my plan to make as many of them as I can. Now, if you haven't already, make sure to hit that red subscribe button and go ahead and click the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our future videos. First up, I have a lunch idea sent in by Sienna. She is 11 years old and is from Ohio. Now, I'm not exactly sure if she's a Hello Kitty fan, but I'm hoping that she is. I know I am. She is so cute and colorful. Now, you guys, Sienna's lunch idea sounds super good. It's gonna start off with a delicious Caesar salad, and I'm gonna use this special salad container. You know, I just found this at my local grocery store. I don't even know what brand it is, but it comes with the ice pack and the utensils. It's really cool. So I'm just gonna go ahead and add a bunch of this romaine lettuce. I love that this salad bowl is a little bit larger, perfect size, I think, but it wouldn't be Caesar salad without all the yummy toppings. So I'm gonna actually put those in separately, and I'm just including the regular Caesar salad items here. I have some Parmesan cheese, croutons, and then for the salad dressing, I'm just gonna put it in this cute little bottle. It kind of looks like a baby bottle. I'm gonna stick that right in there and then move on to the fruit and veggies. I'm gonna go ahead and stick this little silicone star in here. I love to use these to separate food within the lunchbox. I think it looks so cute. And a little cutie tangerine fits perfectly. And then to go along with that, Sienna also requested cucumbers, so I'm just thinly slicing up a whole bunch here. I took off the skin of the cucumber on some of them, and it really gives it a cute design. Next, I'm adding in a big scoop of grapes. I have both green grapes and red grapes. I love that combination. And since I don't actually have a Hello Kitty pick, I'm just gonna add this really fun pink one. I'm adding a blue pick as well, just for fun. And then I have just a few more things to add. I know Sienna really likes goldfish, so I'm gonna add this cute little bag of rainbow ones. And then for a special treat today, she also requested gummies. So I found these really cute Hello Kitty ones. They totally go with the theme of today's lunch. I think these are really cute. They have lots of different shapes of Hello Kitty and flowers and bows. Super cute. And then last but not least, for her drink today, she requested just water. So I'm gonna go ahead and reuse my Hello Kitty bottle with just some water in it. And there you have it. I think Sienna's lunch turned out so cute. Next up, I have a lunch idea sent in by Sky, who is definitely a chocolate lover just like me. She is 16 years old and is from Australia. For her lunch, I'm gonna start off by preparing her main course, which is chicken nuggets. And I just so happen to have these dino ones in the freezer, so I'm gonna go ahead and make those. These cook up so fast, and if I was sending them to school with the kids, I would definitely put them in a thermos. And to go along with these chicken nuggets, a very special chicken dipping sauce. I get this at Walmart actually, and it tastes just like the sauce from Chick-fil-A. For the fruit today, she requested mango, and I have these delicious fresh mangoes. I just cut them up, and I'm gonna put it right in here. For the vegetable, I'm adding broccoli. For a snack today, I'm also including some Tim Tams. These are a classic Australian cookie, and I'm a huge fan of these. They actually used to be pretty hard to find, but now Target has them almost all the time. This is basically like a little chocolate biscuit with cream inside, and it's covered with chocolate, super yummy. And then for an extra special treat, I'm also throwing in some of these Cadbury eggs. These are the new shimmer ones for Easter. They're really cute. Now, Sky's favorite chocolate milk is Milo or Milo. I'm not quite sure. I have not seen that brand here in California, so I'm just adding some Nesquik chocolate milk instead. Okay guys, are you ready to tell me what your favorite part of this lunch is? What is it?
My favorite is the chicken nuggets, mango and Tim Tam.
What about you?
My favorite is the mango, the Tim Tam, and the bunny. This is definitely a lunch for someone who likes chocolate. Me.
Girls.
See you next week.
This next lunch idea was sent in by Destiny. She's 10 years old and is from Iowa. Now for this lunch, I'm gonna start by making the dessert first because it's definitely gonna take the longest. She requested some good old Toll House chocolate chip cookies. So I'm actually going to use this pre-made dough. It's going to be quick and easy and still really tasty. Last time I made cookies, I made mini cookies, but this time I'm going for bigger. So now that I have all of my dough scooped out, I'm gonna pop them into the oven and then move on to the main course. She requested bagel bites. These little bagel pizzas are so cute and they cook up really fast. I just pop these into the oven for about 10 minutes and now I can go ahead and add them to the lunchbox. I'm also gonna add some ranch and that's gonna be for the carrots. Now for her fruit today, she requested strawberries. And I'm gonna go ahead and keep these whole, just like that. Now that our chocolate chip cookies are done, I went ahead and put 2 in this separate container. And then on the other side, I have some veggie straws. These are the zesty ranch flavor. I know my kids love those. And then I always save the drink for last. Destiny requested apple juice, so I'm just gonna add this little pouch. Okay guys, what's your favorite part of this lunch?
Pizza. The pizza and the cookie.
What did you like?
The carrots, the cookies, and the pizza. See you in the next lunch.
Hey guys, next up I have a lunch sent in by Ethan. He is 9 years old and is from Michigan. For Ethan's lunch today, I'm gonna start by making his main course. He chose organic macaroni and cheese. These are actually the number-shaped pastas. I know my kids love those. And I always love to keep mac and cheese hot in the thermoses. For the vegetable today, Ethan chose carrots. So I'm gonna go ahead and add lots of carrot sticks. These are nice and big, almost like a French fry shape. To go along with this, I'm also adding some ranch. For the fruit, a big clump of green grapes. I'm gonna go ahead and decorate that with just a little Mickey pick. And speaking of Mickey, I'm also making some very special Rice Krispie treats because that is what Ethan actually chose for his special treat today. So I'm starting with some regular Rice Krispie treats, but instead of using regular marshmallows, I'm using fruity marshmallows. There's strawberry, lime, lemon, and orange flavor in there. So I'm gonna prepare these just like regular Rice Krispie treats. The only difference is the flavored marshmallows. These just give a slight fruity flavor and kind of an orangey color. And then just for fun, I did go ahead and cut them with my Mickey shape cookie cutter. I'll go ahead and place that right in there. For the snack today, Ethan also chose Teddy Grahams, and I thought it would be super fun to use the bear snack holder for those. And then lastly, for his drink, he also chose apple juice. Apple juice seems really popular with the lunches this week. Okay, Jackson, what's your favorite part of this lunch?
The Rice Krispie and the grapes.
What about you, Lily?
My favorite was the mac and cheese, the Teddy Grahams, the Rice Krispie treat, and the grapes. This Rice Krispie treat tastes a little fruity.
You know why?
Why?
Because I used fruity marshmallows instead of regular.
Oh, you did?
It looks a little bit orange too, doesn't it? You give this lunch a thumbs up?
Yeah.
Yay, thumbs up.
See you in the next lunch.
Okay guys, this next lunch request was sent in by Terry. She is 12 years old and is from the Netherlands. For her main dish today, she requested a sandwich made with smoked Gouda cheese. Although I'm not quite sure, I think where she's from she might call it Gouda cheese. Now I definitely wanted to make this sandwich extra cute, so I've cut the bread into a flower shape. I'm also going to add a few slices of cucumber in there. And then to keep our sandwich together, I've just added a really fun sandwich pick. Now, I know Terry's a big fan of string beans, but she also loves edamame. And since Lily loves edamame, I'm going to go ahead and add those. All I have to do is defrost them. They're already lightly salted. The kids love them. I'm pretty sure all the kids love them actually. For her fruit today, she requested grapes. I did go ahead and add some blueberries in there as well, just because I had them on hand and I think it looks really pretty with the blue and the green together. For a snack today, I'm adding some pretzels. These ones are actually peanut butter filled pretzels. And then for a very special treat, I'm adding some stroopwafels. I know I always have a hard time pronouncing those. I get these mini ones from Trader Joe's. And you guys, there's caramel inside of these. They are super good and delicious. And then what goes better with those than some milk? I know Terry says they drink a lot of milk in the Netherlands, so it's a perfect drink to go with her lunch today. Okay guys, what's your favorite part of this lunch today?
I really like the smoked Gouda cheese.
What about you, Lily?
I really like the milk, the sandwich, and the cheese.
And Jackson, what'd you like?
I really like the biscuits.
Biscuits? Oh, the little waffle cookies? Yeah, those are good.
I didn't have any edamame.
Go ahead, have some. Was it fun trying some new foods?
Yeah. See you next week. Bye.
If you'd like to see even more fun lunch ideas, you can click on the link up here. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in our next video.